Hey guys, welcome back to Solar Sessions with Ben. This is Ben from Belmont Solar, and I'm Brandon. Today, the solar question that we are answering is, will solar panels power an entire house?
Yes, it comes down to simple math. So if you use X amount, you can produce X amount if you have the space, either on your roof or on the ground, or a combination thereof. So if you use 10,000 kilowatt hours in a year and you produce 10,000, it equals 0 according to my calculator.
I believe you. I'll trust that math. So basically, as long as you have enough space on your roof to install the panels or space on the ground to produce the amount of power you need, your solar panels will power your whole house.
Absolutely, and sometimes even more than that. We have some systems that produce more than what the house is using, and that can be used for transportation.
Very cool. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. That's your answer. Solar panels will power your house.